Welcome to today's video on the benefits of turmeric water at night. What if I told you there's a simple, life-changing drink you can make tonight with just 2 ingredients you likely have at home? This is turmeric water, a centuries-old remedy for health and healing. Tonight we'll explore 5 amazing benefits of drinking it before bed, plus tips on how to make the perfect cup and maximize its effects. So, if you're ready to unlock the power of turmeric water, grab a cup and join us for this exciting and informative journey. 1. Regulates blood sugar levels. Turmeric, a spice used in traditional medicine for centuries, is well known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Recent research has shown that curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, helps regulate blood sugar by improving insulin sensitivity and reducing insulin resistance. A study in the Journal of Endocrinology and Metabolism found that curcumin supplementation improved both fasting blood glucose and insulin sensitivity in people with type 2 diabetes. Drinking turmeric water at night is a simple, effective way to incorporate this beneficial spice into your routine, helping lower blood glucose and improve insulin sensitivity. 2. Enhances brain function. Turmeric water has recently gained attention for its brain-boosting properties. Several studies show that curcumin enhances cognitive function and memory while lowering the risk of Alzheimer's disease. In the American Journal of Geriatric Psychiatry, a study found that curcumin supplementation improved memory and attention in people with mild age-related memory loss. Curcumin reduces brain inflammation and increases the levels of brain-derived neurotrophic factor BDNF, a protein that supports the growth of new brain cells. Drinking turmeric water before bed allows you to benefit from curcumin's cognitive enhancement properties. 3. Supports liver health. Turmeric is a bright yellow spice that is packed with curcuminoids, the most famous of which is curcumin. Other compounds, like dimethoxycurcumin and bis-dimethoxycurcumin, also play significant roles in supporting liver health. Studies have shown that these compounds possess antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and hepatoprotective properties. For example, a 2020 study in the Antioxidants Journal revealed that curcuminoids neutralize harmful free radicals, reduce inflammation, and help regenerate damaged liver cells. Turmeric water at night also promotes bile production, which is crucial for breaking down fats and detoxifying the body. 4. Aids in weight loss. Turmeric water at night has become a popular weight loss remedy. A 2019 study in the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry found that turmerone, in addition to curcumin, helps reduce fat accumulation and improve lipid metabolism. This means that drinking turmeric water at night can support your body's ability to burn fat while you sleep. Moreover, a 2018 article in the Journal of Functional Foods highlighted that turmeric increases bile production in the liver, aiding fat breakdown and supporting better digestion, which ultimately promotes weight loss. 5. Relieves joint pain. Turmeric water at night can help relieve joint pain due to its potent anti-inflammatory properties. In addition to curcumin, turmeric contains other compounds, such as turmerones and gingerols, which contribute to its anti-inflammatory and analgesic effects. These compounds inhibit the production of cytokines, chemicals that cause joint pain and stiffness. A study published in Journal of Medicinal Food in 2016 found that a combination of curcumin and turmeric oils provided better pain relief and improved joint function in people with osteoarthritis. How to prepare turmeric water. Preparing turmeric water is simple, and here is an easy method. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 cups water. Bring 2 cups of water to a boil in a saucepan. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and stir well. Reduce the heat to low and simmer for 5 minutes. Remove from heat, let it cool, and strain the mixture through a fine mesh strainer. Pour the turmeric water into a cup and enjoy. If you found these benefits of turmeric water helpful, don't forget to like this video and share it.